How to reset oil maintenance on BMW.
So to reset the oil, press this stop and start button once without your foot on the pedal. Go to the lower left. There's a button right here on the cluster. Press it to hold on. And then you see the engine oil. Also, you can check your vehicle, brake fluid, and all the other stuff here, but we wanted to go to the engine oil. You're gonna press and hold on to this. Reset, yes. So resetting is in progress. Done. That's it.
Alright guys, I hope this video helps you. If you want to see how I change oils on this BMW 5 Series, click here.